My name is William Henry. I'm a sergeant with the Fulshear Police Department. We serve the citizens of Fulshear and Fort Bend County, Texas. The process for developing a drone program at Fulshear PD is twofold. We have to look at equipment that we need, what assets, what kind of drones that we want to get, and also developing policies and procedures, reaching out to other agencies, see what they use, what they like, what they don't like, and also policies, what fits with our intentions that we're going to use our drones for.
My name is Kenny Seymour. I'm the police chief of the city of Fulshear. We first bought our first drone probably about 6 years ago and implemented it in some of the things that we thought we could use it for, such as our floods and some of the larger scale events that we may have, to kind of get a broader perspective on what the problems were and maybe even how to apply that towards the solutions.
I'm Mike McCoy. I'm the captain of the Fulshear Police Department. Well, the benefits are obvious. I mean, we have a lot of uses for a drone. Lost children, accident scenes. Anytime there's in case there's a robbery or a burglary, we can actually use the drone footage to determine whether or not it's a safe entry point in the back or the front of the house. We can use the drone for that as well. Back in the old days, we had to use helicopters. Now, helicopters are still beneficial. They're used 24 hours, 7 days a week on regular patrol, and they're up in the air at all times.
Hi, my name is Nicky Brawley. I'm a police officer with the Fulshear Police Department. The more and more as things advance, as equipment advances, we're able to save time because we can utilize software programs to be able to do our mapping and to do a lot of recreations where normally we wouldn't be able to do, or it would take a lot of man hours to do it.
Linkdal has helped us with challenges of developing a new program. They've been very supportive in the equipment, selecting the right equipment, recommendations, customer service, any repairs that we've needed. They've been very helpful.
This is my 39th year in law enforcement, and to not have a drone now, I just don't know how we do it. I mean, the drones are so beneficial for us, especially in agencies smaller, such as us. We're able to utilize that drone when other agencies have helicopters available. We don't, so we're able to use these drones at a moment's notice. Extremely beneficial.
I think as we move forward in the technology and as the drone technology changes, I think that it's going to be a mainstay in law enforcement. I think as people identify them as being what I said earlier, a force multiplier, I think that that's going to be part of a go-to resource for a lot of departments.